All right, guys, happy Saturday. Today is July the 11th. We're out here doing a special project, man. We're in Milledgeville, Georgia. It wasn't actually too bad. It's right, kind of in the middle of Augusta, right before you get to Augusta. But it was only like an hour and 40-minute drive. Sometimes it takes us just that long to get into the city of Atlanta. But anyway, what we're doing today, guys, this is a client, their dealership. And they actually found me on YouTube and sent me some pictures, videos. I never came out here to do an in-home consultation. They got me the square footage, and what we're doing today is screen, recoat, and UV cure. These are parquet floors, very old floor. You really don't see that much. I really see them in a lot of these condos and apartments, you know, like in the city of Atlanta. So I got my ride along with me today. I also got my network partner, Aaron. He's my sanding installation guy. Has a lot of knowledge for sanding and installing floors. He's actually going to be doing a sanding job starting Monday in Commerce because she wants to change the color of her floors. And the following week, a sanding job that I got yesterday in Lawrenceville, he's going to be doing that the following week. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today, guys. So it's our first dealership. It's about 1,500 square feet. So there's Christopher. I'm gonna put him on the buffer shortly. There's Tavares, and that's Aaron. So what we're doing, guys, we're just trying to cut this floor as deep as possible. This is not a full sand, but the condition that this floor is in is going to look a whole lot better than what it looks like now. All right, guys.
Truman, Truman, you got it, you got it, Truman, you got it. One day we finish screen, recoat, UV cure, yeah, we got it, Truman, you got it, you got it. By the night, walk right on it, yeah. Put her clean with the blue and gold, making old wood look brand new, never old. Client said, man, I thought I need a whole new flow. I smile, nah, say that money, watch me work. Screen spinning, dust flying, UV lights, now they shining. One day service, that's the mission. When Truman talking, better pay attention. Yeah, let's go. Truman, you got it, you got it, Truman, you got it. One day we finish screen, recoat, UV cure, yeah, we got it. No sanding, no waiting, same day, celebrating. Kids come home, dogs run free, that's the Truman guarantee. Truman, Truman, you got it, you got it, Truman, you got it. One day we finish screen, recoat, UV cure, yeah, we got it. Truman, you got it, we got it.
And that's gonna do it. What a project. I must say, guys, we had fun on this project. The floors came out amazing. As you can see, we ended up doing 3 coats on this floor. This floor had no finish on it, none. We could have got away with 2, but you know what? Like I told my guy Christopher, and I told my other guys, let's do a 3rd coat, because just because the client can't see it, I can see certain things when you have what I call the professional eye, and Christopher will tell you there's a huge difference between the second coat and the third coat. So guys, sometimes we just take the extra step. This is a commercial floor. Like they say it was done, but I could tell it was done with oil base. They probably didn't do a lot of coats, maybe one coat if that, and it just wore off very fast. But you could just see a huge difference in this floor, guys. It looks beautiful. Like I said, this is not a full sand. So, you know, for example, you still see some of the scratches in the floors. This floor need to be fully sanded, but that's what they didn't want. In my contract, when clients sign my contract to approve the work, I say you can expect a 50 to an 80. You remember when I first came in here, this area right here, guys? And you can still see some of it. I mean, you can still see some of the wear, but we can only go so deep with a screen. And even though we went aggressive on this floor, but I do let my clients know you can expect anywhere from a 50 to an 80% improvement. And I will say this is definitely 75-80% improvement, that it was done in one day, and it was half the cost of a full sand, and they got the UV cure so they can get back on the floors right now, as you can see. All right, guys, we are done. What a great week. Got another week, busy week ahead of us. And yeah, so also shout out to Juan, Mr. Juan. That's his son, Christopher, 29 years old. They're from Michigan. Actually, they're kind of from the same area my wife is from, in Michigan. And thank you, Juan, for sending your son out to ride with us for 2 days, because they want to add this service to their business model. And trust me, Michigan, that Detroit area has a lot of wood floors, so they have a lot of opportunity ahead of them. All right, guys. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, man. Yeah, you really don't see these Parquet floors anymore. You see Parquet, they're just blocks. See, they were just installed individually. They kind of snap in. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.